Hello everyone, welcome to Dropship Academy. In today's episode, I'm going to teach you a step by step on how to create your own e-commerce store or online store. Now, without wasting any more time, let's dive into it. The first thing you need to do is to come here and click on the Google's apps icon and then scroll down until you come across the docs, sheets, and slides section. Click on the sheets icon. Is going to direct you to its page. Afterwards, come here and then click on the blank spreadsheet. The second thing that we would want to do is focus on changing the name of our store. This is where your name is going to go: Dropship Academy. Okay. Now, the most important thing that you need to do right now, because it'll be your first time trying to create this with Google Sheets, there's a plugin or add-on or extension that you would need to add. Click on the add-ons and then get add-on, and then this page is going to pop up. Then type in store.link. Now, I already installed it, so henceforth it's already installed. Click on it and then click on this button. It's going to install it, and then afterwards come here again. It'll appear on the bottom of the drop down menu, and then select the start from template. After that, select the grocery template. Now, the real reason I'm choosing the grocery template is because of its user friendliness. It's really easy to use. You won't struggle as you set up your shop. Now, this pop-up page is going to appear where it allows us to create our online store. It's going to give us access to change, like to name our store, change colors, the currency, and then add WhatsApp or emails to this. Dropship Academy. And then let me type in South Africa. Right there we appear. Click. Now, because most of you are using WhatsApp Business for your businesses, I would recommend that you switch this on and then select the South African code. South African code. Awesome. Let me add mine. Rate 2-170-9778. Okay. Now, here's what happens. Usually, when you use your email, you're still going to get an invoice. It's going to tell you the type of order that has been placed and the quantity, the amount, and obviously the details of your client. Now, on WhatsApp, it'll be a different story. It's going to show you in text format rather than in an invoice format. Who your client is, where they're from, and the number and the type of item they ordered from your store. Okay, let's click on create store. These tips I'm going to skip them. Okay, cool. Make sure that you click on allow access because you're using a third-party element. Now, in this particular area, I'm going to change the categories, I'm going to change the names, I'm going to change the pricings, even the images. Okay, let me type in possibly. just going to delete these ones because this is for demonstration purposes. Alright, cool. Now we come here and then we're going to name our category kitchenware, right? And then the second category will also be kitchenware. Okay. Let me just say porcelain red. Okay. This is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to change in the price 1,500. 1,500 and then 750. Discount will be 250. Porcelain pot set. It's important to, when you use this template, it's important to number your items so you know the number of items you have. Just say 1 kg. Brand new. Alright, cool. Now we're gonna come here and then we want to insert images in a cell. I'm going to browse because I had already saved perfect image. Sorry about that, guys. I'm taking too long. But just click on that. Oh my word! Undo that, please. Click on the image and then you come here. I'm sorry about that, guys. And then you go to your image. As you can see, it already replaced the other image. Let's insert another one. And then the last piece. Sorry about that. Come to insert, go to image, insert image in a cell, browse. Now always remember, guys, your images, they have to be the same exact size. The one that I would recommend is 10,000, sorry, it's 1080 pixels, 1080 pixels. That's the most correct size or accurate size because of the quality. All right. Can I please remove this? Let me just remove this because I want to show you how this. Okay, let me click on that. Okay, because I want to view these products on how they look and everything. I'm going to come here, but before I view the site, the entire store, I want to add in the logo and change the color of the shop. Click on design, home page, and then the theme is going to be green because it resonates with the logo. Delete, make sure that you come here and then you click on delete and then upload your own logo. Okay, yeah. Then I'm going to search for the drop shipping. It's the correct one. Now I'm not going to add a banner. I'm just going to type in the name of the store, the sub name of the store. Let's just assume that it's kitchen wear collection. Alright, perfect. Then we scroll down. You can type in whatever word you want to put in. It could be add to cart or buy. I'm just going to leave the add to cart part because I think it's more professional since we are dealing with drop shipping. Oh, sorry about that. Let me save. Then after saving, you come to checkout. In the checkout page, you are in the section. You are allowing your customers to fill in the details, which is their name, their email, their phone, their address. And then in the shipping, you could choose whether you want them to come and pick up or you do the delivery, which I believe that you're going to also allow them. Sorry, you're going to include the fees in your shipping or in your product. Sorry. After that, I'm going to select the delivery option and then save. Then click on custom pages. Okay, I'm not gonna touch into this section because you have to be a pro version user for you to be able to access it. Now let's see. Enable product details pages, check. Columns. Let me see. I wanna add in a column. Let me just type in color. Okay, it's not appearing, but let me just do this. I'm going to change it on the other page when we are out there. Predict variance, this one doesn't have it. Okay. Now coupons, it's for pro users only. And then this is your contact information. For orders, WhatsApp, you can also enable your email notifications or collect orders in sheets. So this one I'm going to turn off. Payment method. Now this is the most boring part about this. It's tiring. Like, only the pro version allows you to add a custom made payment method, or you can use any of these. Let me just try this. See, like it's refusing to let me do this. Anyway, let's just leave it. Okay, the header, no. Now in the SEO section, this is the search engine optimization. You must have relevant keywords to your shop. It could be the correct keyword, incorrect keyword, or a wrong keyword. Let me give you an example. You're searching for Facebook. However, you type in FASE instead of FACE. Book. You should include the FASE book word and the correct one. This enhances your chances when somebody Google searches you, or Facebook searches you, or using any other platform, because now you've used an incorrect keyword, but for the right reasons. This is why when you incorrectly type in characters, the right platform that you wanna like that you were looking for appears, because of they narrated the right keywords, the incorrect and the correct ones. That is a secret they don't want a lot of people to know, unless of course you pay for it. Here, the favicon is this icon here that appears on your website. I'm going to share the correct dimension for it, because right now, let me actually use this one. Let me actually use this one. Sorry about these images that you see, guys. Behind the water, but it should be in black and white. If it was in black and white, it was going to be so awesome. Okay, save. Integrations. That's when you wanna connect this website to your Google Analytics or Metapixels Analytics and custom scripts. So because I'm almost through, and I think I've covered the most important things. Now, one of the most important things is this one. Translation of sheet content and checkout fields have to be done separately. This section, guys, like you don't need to touch anything here. You don't need to touch anything here. The only thing I think you should really focus on is the 404 error page. You customize the words, use the words that resonate well with your business, or this one, the order summary, and then change particularly the buttons in your store here. But I would advise against touching anything here. Just discard. Alright, this one is not so important. Let us come here again and then click on the open store. Okay, this is our logo. There is our favicon. Now the issue that I'm seeing here is our product is not displaying here. Now it means that something is wrong that side. Okay, let me quickly exit there and then load image. Browse image. Then I'm going to select the very same images that I've inserted incorrectly. I'm sorry about that. Okay, cool. Let me upload. Shots. Okay, let me just begin with this and set it. Right. Then come here. At the bottom of the drop down, upload image. Then select this one. Then make sure that you scroll to the bottom so you can see the insert part. And then come here, click on this while you're still on this pop-up menu, and then insert your product. It's going to appear there. Voila. Okay, love that. Now let's open our store. Dropship Academy. Yeah, as you can see, there is our port. Scroll down a bit. Okay. Let me quickly do this. Let me refresh, because it's supposed to show. Yeah, as you can see. I hope everyone saw what I did. Like, you come here and then you copy and then you paste it in these two blocks, because like the sheet reads things as per their headings. If I had incorrectly typed, let me say, category here, category was going to be inserted in this shop page. Now the real reason I only did 3 images was to show you that this really works well. Let's see if it has errors. Okay, it doesn't have errors. When you click on this port, it shows you instead of the port. Now, the most high quality one was this one. When I found these, your client can choose to add two of these or any other. And then add to cart. Now afterwards, you can click on this view cart so you can see how the overall look of this looks like. If you place an order here, let me write this. My details. Okay, delivery is going to be realistic. Okay, I think the delivery part we're going to need to do it. I'm going to change it. I'm going to change it on the backend side of things. Let me place an order on WhatsApp. As you can see, this is the number that I used, and it has all the details: link order, and then order number, the date, my name, emails, phone number, whatnot. Had I connected my WhatsApp to the browser WhatsApp, it would go appear there. Wait, let's go to settings. Store settings. The real reason I want us to do this is to change the fees, the delivery fees. Delivery fees, because people cannot. I'm just gonna enable the email notification so I can show you. Sorry, so I can show you the invoice that I'm going to receive. This cash delivery product, the details. What's the delivery fee? Okay, be patient with me, guys. A lot has changed since the last time I used Google Sheets. Oh my word. Here on the meta description, you will write a small description about your business, the type of niche you have, what you sell and whatnot, to make it easy for search engines to identify your store. Actually, just looking for to change. Guys, I think I'm failing at this. Okay, shipping, delivery. Oh, here it is. I think Puro and Mr. What, the courier guy, they charge this, right? And then you can also, as you can see, you can also have like minimum order, free above. Let me tap it in so you can see when we view our website. It's going to be free above 5,000. 5,000. And then I'm not gonna I'll do any other thing. Let me save. Now I'm going to cancel this one. I have closed every single thing. I have touched every single thing uh, to help us in this. All right, perfect. Wow. Okay. Why is it saying that it's out of stock when it's not? Okay, let me just stop. Okay, guys. There's one other important thing that I forgot to highlight. Please make sure that you monitor your stock. Every time your client purchases something from your shop, you should monitor your stock. It should correlate with like the digitized value of your stock should correlate well with the physical products that you have in your inventory to avoid you missing out on making sales because the website deemed this um, otherwise. You see that these pots are colored, right? Let me change the value. Let me just say 0, and then let me show you what it does when things are out of stock. It changes color. Like when I click here, it's out of stock. The client is not going to be able to do anything. Now, to avoid that being a problem, let me change. I did. Okay. Perfect. Now let me add this to the cart. View the cart. Continue. Delivery, as you can see. Sorry, it has changed. Then the way that I'm understanding the platform right now, it says that your client or need in question is 4,750 away from free delivery. It doesn't like remember that I added the value of 5,000 to indicate that. I thought that it was an indication that if a client spends 5,000 rand, they're going to get free delivery. But with what I'm understanding right now, if a particular client spends 5,000 in your store, they will get a delivery. When you enable that, please keep that in mind. Okay, let's check out. Thank you for your order. Your order is under process and you will be notified soon. Okay. Continue shopping. Alright. Right now, I'm through here. I'm just going to show you the email that I just received. Let me see. Let me get out of here because perfect. Your order has been received. Do you see how amazing this invoice looks? It looks professional. Please note this email was sent from a notification only address that can't accept incoming emails. Please do not respond or reply to this message. Sorry. It has the order number, my name as a client, details about what I just bought. Now, the downside about the free version of this website is the mere fact that it limits your capabilities of controlling certain things, adding colors, uh, size, um, uh, what again? There are certain things that I forgot to include, but it limits your capabilities of its functionality limits you to be creative and then put in certain components in your website. Unlike having a custom domain, sorry, a custom store, which allows you to do quite a lot of things because when you purchase services like online store creation from a web developer or web designer, and you detail your specifications on how you want your website to differ from other dropshippers. It enables you to be creative in your own way, and then allows the developer or the designer to also meet you halfway. Now, this one you cannot put a lot of things, and with those other templates, some they do allow you to put in color, but they are more complex. This one was um, for this particular for the tutorial purpose to actually show you that I'm really genuinely serious about helping every one of you understand how to use Google Sheets as your dropshipping agent, um, as your dropshipping platform to assist you to make sales and then at least look professional, because now people are going to start recognizing that, oh, she also has an online store. We also want to be like her, or we want to shop with her or him. So thank you for your time. I'm going to see you on the next one, guys.